Yá'át'ééh, Yá'át'ééh, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. So today's Navajo Word of the Day, since I'm feeling better, is I'm feeling better. So to say that in Navajo, I would say Yá'át'ééh náshdleeł, Yá'át'ééh náshdleeł. I am feeling better. Yá'át'ééh náshdleeł. For those who are more advanced speakers in Navajo and want to know how to say, other ways you can say that phrase, you can also say nitsts'ííd. Nísts'ííd means I'm good. I'm okay. I mean, it means like I'm getting better. Nísts'ííd. It comes from the root Adseed, which means it's okay. Adseed. If you want to ask somebody, "Are you okay?" you can say Áásh ńts'ííd. Áásh ńts'ííd. Are you okay? Áásh ńts'ííd, being you. Áásh ńts'ííd. Are you okay? That's how you would say it. Áásh ńts'ííd. Again, Yá'át'ééh can be used to say more than just hello. It expresses the idea of something being good. For example, shił means with me. If I were to say, let's see, if I were to say, this book is good, I would say, naaltsoos shił. I like this book. Naaltsoos shił. So shił means with me, and yá'át'ééh means it is good. So it means I like it. I like it. Naaltsoos shił. Or you can say that movie is good. A movie shił. I like that movie. A movie shił. I like that movie. You can change it to you like that movie by saying movie shił. But you can't really say that. You have to add like ya at the end to say you like that movie, right? A movie shił. Ya. That's how you would use it. Yeah. And again, for some of these, you have to have seen previous examples of how these were put together, because I'm not going to give all the details here, but I covered certain things in certain videos. If you were to say he likes it, you would say book A bilyat. He likes the book. Book A bilyat. You can use movie, book, whatever. A shilyat. I like that. A shilyat. You can also say ta'yat, like it is good. Ta'yat, like how's work? Yá'át'ééh, it's good. Yá'át'ééh, how's the movie? Yá'át'ééh, it's good. Yá'át'ééh, if somebody's asking you, it's good. Or like if somebody was asking you how was work going? Yá'át'ééh, it's good. Yá'át'ééh. If it's okay, you can throw in that word Adseed. It's okay. Adseed, using that root word that you learned earlier. Adseed. But you can't say that about things about how they taste. You can't say coffee, the coffee is good, or the food is good. You had to use a different word for that, and that you'll learn tomorrow night. So tonight's Navajo word of the day was I'm feeling better. Yá'át'ééh náshdleeł. Yá'át'ééh náshdleeł. I'm feeling better. Or nísts'ííd. Nísts'ííd. I'm feeling better. I'm okay, but I'm getting better. Nts'ííd. Nts'ííd, I'm okay. So those are tonight's Navajo words of the day. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for all the people who posted get well stuff. That was nice. I didn't expect it. I wasn't like really trying to put myself out there and try to gain comfort from people. I just thought I'd use the opportunity to teach more Navajo. But I'm glad it's nice that you guys sent me those get well statements. That was very nice. Thank you, and have a good evening.